Hi everyone, my name is Mukul Sharma and I'm going to give you a demo of our website Agento Secure Access. So in the modern enterprise, knowledge is locked away in PDFs, policy documents and technical manuals. Finding the right answer often takes hours. Introducing Agento, an enterprise-grade AI knowledge assistant. Agento transforms your static documents into a living, breathing neural network that employees or intern can query through chat or voice. It's a secure multi-tenant and visual intelligence system. So let us register for a company like Google 123 at gmail.com and password registered. We got a unique ID for the company. Here the employee will make its account. Here he will add the workspace ID, which is the company ID. So it's a pre-made account. Let us add this email, password. So it is created. Let us log in now. So it's the AI agent from the employee login and it's the admin login. Here company details will come. It's the company command center. Here the person will ingest the documents. Add a document. Give it a category, its name. Browse the file. Like internal troubleshooting. Give it a name like troubleshooting and index the document. So it is indexed and all the uploads came here. So I have used the MongoDB handles are relational data, user authentication, and strict role-based access control. Qdrant Cloud servers serves as our high-speed vector engine for semantic search. The reasoning layer is powered by Google Gemini 2.5 Flash connected via custom LangChain pipeline. So let me show you the chat AI agent. So let's say hi. What is the name of company? So Agento performs a similarity search, retrieves the relevant context and generates an answer. But here is the magic, visual reasoning. Because the answer involves a process, if sometime, Agento automatically generates a Mermaid.js flowchart on the fly. It does not just tell you the steps, it draws the full flowchart for you. Let me show you one. Like how to apply for internships. See, full flowchart is made and upper all the points are given. So this is how we can also visualize the text and the answers. Then we go to the AI call mode. It's a full AI calling mode with this 3D GIF. Hello.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
When the company was established. When the company was established. So it will like
Alpha
as
Trade Global Private Limited was founded in 2017.
in AI call mode also I have added the Mermaid.js system. Let us ask the question for internship. How to apply for internships? It will do the similar search.
To apply for an
We got a
internship
workflow
at Alpha
visualization.
Trade Global
Check
Private
career page, apply for
Limited,
internships,
follow
and all
these
the things.
steps. 1. Regularly check the career page on the
Let us see the
company
user
website.
profile now.
2.
So it's a user profile, email, role admin, company registry, and the unique ID, which is said to be given to the employee for login to this website. This is a website for the employer or intern. Here he can't see the manager dashboard or anything. He can just see the equal mode and a chat window and its user profile, personal identity, organization, and this thing. So this is our multi-tenant system for the companies to use. Here the employees or intern which are new to the company can ask the question to our both the modes to the AI chat mode and AI call mode and get the instant result of their queries and problems. Thank you for your time. I hope you like my project.